So let's talk a little bit about reference angles. So reference angles are angles for every angle in standard form. The reference angle is the positive acute angle formed by the terminal side and the x-axis. So I'm going to underline this. The terminal side and the x-axis. Actually put a box around it because it's that important. Sketch and find the reference angles for each angle. So I want you to think there's a bow tie centered around the x-axis, okay? So we can draw a little picture. Okay. There's a bow tie. Okay. This you can call the reference angle bow tie. Okay. These are all terminal sides here. Okay. And we talk about how they make with the x-axis. So this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle. So it makes kind of a bow tie. It's like this guy, here's our angle theta. Its reference angle, you would not take this terminal side and go all the way back to the initial side. No, what you're going to do is you're going to take the terminal side and find the closest way, the fastest way to get to the x-axis. Okay? That's a reference angle, not to be confused with coterminal angles. So there's a lot to remember for this concept. Okay? There's reference angles and coterminal angles, which is why I'm going to give you a note card that you can write all this information down. Okay? So reference angle, you find it, you basically add or subtract 180 degrees to figure out, unless you do 360. So it'll make sense when we do it, I promise. So let's find the reference angle for 225 degrees. So before we even find the reference angle, we have to draw the angle first. So 225 degrees, so this is 0, 90, 180, 270. 225 is going to be about here. Okay, so this angle goes all the way like that. That's 225 degrees. So if we look at our bow tie, our reference angle is going to come back up this direction here. Okay, so if this is 225 degrees, okay, we know this is 180 degrees. Okay, to find the reference angle, we just have to subtract 225 minus 180. Okay, and this angle is 45. Alrighty, you always want positive values for your reference angle. Okay, you can write that down too. Only positives. Okay, your reference angles are always positive. Okay, let's do one more example. This time we're going backwards, negative 310 degrees. Well, if negative 360 degrees is right here, negative 310 is going to be about right here. We start there, we go backwards. So if that's negative 310 degrees, our reference angle, we would keep going this way. Okay? So this time, it makes more sense to go 360 minus 310 because that's how much distance there is between them. So to find this angle, you take 360 minus 310 and you get 50 degrees is your reference angle for that one. Okay, we'll do another example in class. This time it'll be with radians, but it'll be the same thing, just in a different measurement, okay? Okay, so in the next video, we're going to talk about actual finding trig functions for angles on the coordinate plane.